Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1956 Ford Sunliner Convertible. Got Warren, the owner here, many years, and tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today, Warren?
How you doing, Mike?
Yeah, what a cool car.
Yeah, thank you.
Fiesta red. So 50s this color, right?
It is, yep. It's the biggest color Ford had in 56 is Fiesta red.
Yep, they even had dishes and stuff made after it. You know, I think Revlon came up with the color. It was started as a lipstick color, right?
Yeah, lipstick or nail polish, and then Ford went and duplicated it, and that was the biggest selling color.
You got to appease the ladies first. That's what they say.
That's it.
Beautifully restored. It's an AACA Hershey winner in the, what, 1989, right?
89, it's got its senior in 1989.
Wow.
There's been two owners since then.
Wow.
And both the owners, including myself, taken very good care of it. It's always been in a climate-controlled garage.
Mm-hmm. So pretty.
And just time to part with it, I think. So.
Yeah. Love the wire wheels sitting on wide whites. It's got a Continental kit too. Also has skirts that come with the car. I think they really round it off nicely. Gorgeous, beautiful straight body. Super nice chrome and stainless. Finished trunk with matching spare. Yeah, can you swing that around?
Yep.
The Continental kit goes sideways. Kind of swings out of the way. Then we got the spare back here.
And the skirts.
The skirts. Beautifully finished. I love the cars done back in the 80s and 90s because they use real parts, you know?
Thank you. Thank you. You too.
No bullshit replacement parts from classic industries. The Continental kit was a dealer installed option back then, right?
Yes, it was. Yep.
Power top.
Mm-hmm.
AM radio.
Does have a boot in the back.
Okay. We'll throw that on for the photos.
Okay.
Can you open the hood?
Mm-hmm.
Man, that hood emblem is beautiful. Jeez. Gorgeous. It's got what, the 292 under here?
292.
Mm-hmm.
Power steering.
Power steering. It's the same motor that goes in a Thunderbird. So pretty. Love all the tower clamps and originality of this car. No wonder it got a senior award. All the correct stampings. Beautiful firewall. So pretty. Original generator design. Ford Moco belts. Just so pretty. Correct padding under the hood. Love the trim down the side. He's got the original owner's manuals. Here's the AACA Club winner, 1989. That goes on the front grille. Only a few owners too, huh, Warren?
They're all the owners of the car, including myself.
Owner's manual. This is a service policy. It's kind of like a Protecto plate. Pretty neat. Originally came out of Plainfield, New Jersey. This is where it was originally purchased. Pretty neat. Very cool. Senior award. That is some prestigious award. So neat. It's an original manual too. This isn't a reproduction. AM radio. So pretty. Even have the 50s plates. That's pretty cool. Beautiful lenses. Can you fire it up?
Sure.
In automatic. Man, you barely touched the key. Sounds great.
Yeah, it's got Smitty's mufflers on it.
Oh, Smitty's. Gives it a little bit of a
Nice throaty sound.
throaty sound, yeah. Cool. I love how the tailpipes kind of peek through the bumper there. So iconic, right? Squeeze out of the way. And then from AACA in Plainfield, New Jersey. Still on there. Pretty neat. Man, they just don't make cars like this anymore. And the indicators here are pretty cool on like that lights up when you turn the lights on the antenna?
Antenna. Yeah.
Wow. Pretty cool. So pretty. Let's go for a quick ride. Yeah. Perfect day for a ride too. Man, that is beautiful. When America was great again.
Yeah. 56 was a good year.
Good year. AM radio.
Yeah, Eisenhower. President.
Probably takes a little bit to warm up. Eisenhower, yeah.
You know, I got
Yeah.
I got the power over to a MP3 player.
Oh, there's an MP3 in here?
No, it's a portable one.
Oh.
I take it with me. The wire is up in here. I got to undo the wire.
Oh, okay.
But
That's cool. So it's just an aux in?
Yeah.
It goes to the radio?
no, it's
The
I got a
MP3?
little portable MP3,
Okay.
and I just usually put it right here and play all my doo-wop music.
Cool.
You know, when you're riding a 56 Ford, you
gotta have
some
doo-wop.
music.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, what a pretty car. So how long have you owned this?
At least 15 years. I'm going to say 15, 16, maybe 17 years now. I did find a insurance ID from 09. So that's
15 years.
15, 16 years, yeah. So
Yep.
probably 16, 17, maybe 18. It's been a while. Time goes by so fast.
It really does, jeez.
Oh my God.
Kids are in college already, I can't even believe
Yeah,
it.
it's amazing.
Those Smitty pipes sound real nice.
They sound nice?
Yeah. Perfect day for a top down too.
This car, I would drive this to California.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, I wouldn't drive to California, but it's capable of driving to
Sure,
California.
yeah.
It drives smooth.
Yeah, so effortlessly to drive. The
It's
power
just-
steering, you know?
It's a comfortable car.
Some wipers too.
Yeah.
It's neat. Man, it's really transports you back, doesn't it?
It does. It certainly does.
You're gonna see Warren's Packard. Unbelievable. What year Packard is that?
29.
29.
Roadster.
Sheesh, what a gorgeous car. Those are all coach built, those cars.
Here in the back. Back in the day, you could tell one car from another. Nowadays, they all look the same.
Yeah, they're all plastic.
They're all silver, gray, white, black.
Yeah.
Very few cars have any color to it anymore.
Right. It's nice to ask the woman what they're using.
Yeah.
They're making the decision.
Yeah.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. We're going to go for a cruise. Hit me up, 631-339-0399. Check out about 300 pictures I took today on the website. And Warren, thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Thank you.
You're welcome.